Why don't you let them hear how rowdy the old ramrod is. Alright, so at my house I'm making more room for activities. I'll go show you over there. Took a bunch of trees down. These are the logs that came out of it. They're all poplar. I cut them 16/6, 9 of them on there. Pretty good load. What's that, Mr. Officer? It's overweight. No, it can't be. It's all poplar. But this is just the stuff I'm gonna cut up for firewood. Here's the old 4-door tow truck. I don't think I ever took any videos of scrapping anything with this. Little side of the road video. We just cleaned out from a barn, the inside of a barn. This is years worth of hay string or hay wire that they saved up, dryer, and then this is a box of heavy steel that we separated, chains and whatnot, different plow attachments, tractor related items. Another box of tin here, nothing crazy, same old stuff. And that's a box of stuff, that good stuff that I'm not selling here right now. It's a you know, rotors and aluminum wire, etc. So right here at the scrap yard, so gotta go. All right, so I already crumpled up the ticket for that steel load, but it was $207. Podre's gonna turn in some of his scrap. We got a couple dozen electric motors, and then the small Gaylord box we got sealed units in, another maybe 20 or 2 dozen. And we got this little bit of aluminum on the trailer. This piece is pretty heavy. It's a manifold off of a fuel truck for delivering fuel, every different grade, etc. There's aluminum truck fuel tank and just some other miscellaneous truck fenders, etc. So we'll go see if we can get, I don't know, I'm gonna guess $500, a good round number for everything. Another extra froggy day on the bridge. Can't even see the other side, much less the car in front of me. Alrighty, sick as a dog, but not really into this. But today's the last day for the what's the name here, the Durango. It's been sitting a while. It used to run. I used it as a run around here, cleaning stuff up and whatnot. It's nothing exciting in here. But we'll get this little bit of miscellaneous junk out, cut the tank out of it, and then we'll scrap it. Save the wheels, of course. You want to be mindful of how you use your tools on different kind of, you know, vehicles. If I do anything, you know, drastic, silly like that, that would just be crazy silly to do some damage like that. Very childish. Good thing I checked if it had a battery in it or not. It still did. Remove this with care. That's more like it. I'll put that in a safe place, like right there, for later activities. We're not going to do anything else to this other than drain the fluids. That's what the yard wants. Let's see what we can get into. Go ahead and loosen them up. That way when we get to the yard, you don't have as much time. You know, you can't help but feel a little pressure when the man's standing there waiting for you to unbolt the wheels. But that's that, just chain down. I just went right through the wheels, front and back, one pulling each way. It's about as much effort as I'm gonna put in it today. Ignorant. It's bad enough that the chrome covers are off, making it a little bit smaller than what it is, but this one ought to be real fun getting off. Hope for the best. Oh, just wiggle wag all over the place. Okay, I'm not gonna go any farther and get that stuck on there. Sweet. Well, every one of the ones that lost the cover got stuck in the the impact socket there, but that's okay. There she is, all fancy, nothing crazy. We just want a chain right around the rear and one through the front wheels. That's about all the effort I feel like putting into this today. It's safe enough. That thing isn't going anywhere with 2 chain and binders on it. But we're going to the yard. That in the last video just takes it off with the forklift, and then it's gone. You get a couple extra seconds because you'll see me unbolt the other 2 lug nuts that I left on all the wheels. Block the shot. Jesus. Friggin' amateur hour over here. Almost forgot to show you. I may or may not have had a issue loading this and scratched the paint somehow. I don't know, something happened with the sunroof and, you know, a bucket of a machine. I don't really know, but hopefully the scrapyard doesn't mind. But that's it, old PT Cruiser. Nothing really exciting. This thing's probably like 2,600 pounds max. I don't know, it might be 3,000. See what it gets. Just some informative information. Most of your yards probably won't take an oil tank that doesn't have a hole in it. My yard requires like a 6-inch hole or something. I go above and beyond. Oh, there's a fire in that one. But that way they can look in there and see. There's obviously some residual wetness going on. That's starting to go pretty good. There must be a piece of wet insulation in there or something from the sparks it lit from that one, because that one's already cut. But it's fine, you don't have to worry about that. But so yeah, I cut a bigger hole, and the most common question is, how come these tanks don't blow up or something when I cut them? I mean, that's, you know, diesel fuel, heating oil, whatever you want to call it, and it's a lazy burn compared to like gas or propane is crazy, you know, bursting, exploding, whatever you want to call it. But diesel fuel is a very lazy fire unless it has a lot of air forced into it or availability to air like that with a wide open end. It really takes off, but there's no combustion issues.
All right, so here we are at El Padre's house, and he wants us to squeeze that bus in between that Connex box and the trailer. But the problem is the TPS is gone, so the gas isn't getting to the throttle, which isn't pushing the bus forward. So we got El Jimmy over here. He's gonna try to put bumper to bumper and push the bus into position. El Padre's in the bus awaiting Jimmy. All right, here we go, stand by. We're gonna try not to break anything. Oh! The light's still good. Nah, you're high. You're about to hit the tail lights. All right, here comes the ramrod. You guys remember the old ramrod? All right, so he's definitely...
Let's not remove the radiator, okay?
All right.
What's it look like?
You're looking good. Your bumper's hitting bumper right now.
Getting ready to come up.
You're still good? Not anymore.
No?
You can still touch it, but you're touching with the rubber part, the plastic. You're low.
Radiator low or just low?
You're low.
Grill?
Yeah, you're about to touch with grill. You're touching grill now. All right, come back with the other one. That one might be low enough now. Look at this guy doing the run around. Look how happy he is. Handstand. Alright, let's see what we got. We're getting there slowly. You're good. Push. Oh, like a glove. Alright. Gotta ask El Padre if he's all good and ready. Let's squeeze through here. Hey, El Padre! Give us a wave through the mirror.
Get the fuck out of here!
Alright, here we go, Jimmy.
What are you, fucking meat gazer?
34 to Johnson, he finds the doorway.
Can't even fucking pee without a problem.
Did you get a nice relief?
He's a freaking meat gazer.
Alright, so El Padre's got another adventure for us. We gotta push this back to the back cave. You can remember the movie Coneheads. We got the star here. El Jimmy.
Richard, check me for maximum damage.
Alright.
Charlie, not Richard.
Oh, sorry.
Charlie today.
Below it.
Yeah, you're bumper to bumper. You're good right now.
You ready, Mary?
Yeah.
We're drifting, baby. We're still good. We're still good. You're a little high, just a little. To the back cave it goes.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is called the tail light buster.
No, you're gonna bust the real out of it for sure.
Look at that power, baby. He made it. How was the ride?
Good. Can't beat the ingenuity. Hey,
Yeah.
you got problems. I haven't fucked this up. We gotta do it again.
Yeah, let's retry that, eh?
Alrighty.